Hello, welcome to Toys Are Evil. A surprise unboxing of a Miss BUBU resin toy from ERIKARTOON, which I snagged yesterday at the Pop Toy Show Singapore, which is happening right now in the weekend at the Marina Bay Sands Convention Center. And yeah, I really wanted to share this figure with everyone so that folks there or going there will have a chance to grab this if you're able to. Okay. Art creation by ERIKARTOON, Erika Tay, and artwork by Erika as well, which I thought was pretty cool. Not just the figure itself, but also the artwork that comes with the box. Instead of just a regular black, brown or plain black box, it is with the graphics. You see here. Sorry, I'm a bit all over the place, so bear with me as I ramble on before I head for my nappy nap on this Saturday afternoon. And they pack this up. These are on display and they're all individually all over the place, man. They're all individually hand painted by Erika herself. And this is my Miss BUBU. Resin printed, hand painted, full-on character designed by ERIKARTOON. And this is just one of the different colorways that is available. I mean, primarily there are two colorways released at Pop Toy Show. We first saw them, the first incarnation at Illustration Arts Festival a couple of months ago, and which I totally missed out on because it was sold out by then. But I had to bug Erika for a copy at Pop Toy Show currently right now. There are two versions of this. This is the slightly smaller version, hollow resin, and the other one is slightly bigger and it's full solid resin. You understand if you ever have a chance to hold it in hand, and that's solid resin as well. The feeling is very, very much different. But yeah, I went for something that is a slightly affordable price point. Also because it wasn't just one. Because I grabbed another figure. Sobi-chan. Sobi-chan, I have pictures in my Instagram, which I've opened up. I'll open up later. Put her side by side with Miss BUBU. And the story of Miss BUBU is on my blog as well. So yeah, this is Miss BUBU here. And let's have a look at Sobi-chan. Yay, thank you, Erika, for making such awesome stuff and your generosity. So yeah, perfect. I mean, in the end, I went for two similarly colors, like in their uniform. So like a pair, and I really appreciate, like, it's like a pair of besties instead of just one figure. So it's a pair of cycloptic-eyed besties with pinchable cheeks and a similar light blue color palette in their clothes. And I actually love these figures lah. So this is her version of I would say mass, but they were individually painted. Extremely limited edition. There isn't a specific number put to them, but yeah, grab them while you have an opportunity, especially if you're at a Pop Toy Show right now. Grab them so you don't need to pay for shipping lah. I'm always about shipping as well. Having said that, to me these are currently my best purchases from Pop Toy Show so far, and yeah, I will stick with that, man. Yeah, and I will end this live after doing another turnaround. Oh, I love the details, the earrings. Turn around for these two ladies, giant ribbon buns, blue mouth. Can see the textures and detailing is more than you would expect for something I feel of this size. Does that make any sense? So yeah, thank you for tuning in. And I hope that you will have an opportunity to snag these figures if you are at Pop Toy Show. If not, head up, check in with ERIKARTOON, the Instagram, which I'll leave in this video behind. So folks, if interested, to hit her up and find out how you can grab these. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.